500% profit in just 2 years? It looks too good to be true. But wait, look at this. On February 2nd, this EA just took a massive cut loss of hundreds of dollars in a heartbeat. In this video, I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm going to dissect Gold Trade Pro. We will look at the developer's real data, their so-called safe breakout strategy, and I will also reveal my own KEST account with a $200 balance. Is this EA a money machine or a ticking time bomb for small accounts? Watch until the end because I'm going to expose a sensitive setting that could margin call your account if you ignore it. Okay, let's start with what they promise. Gold Trade Pro claims it's not a martingale or grid system that does crazy averaging, but a pure daily breakout strategy. On paper, this sounds much healthier for your heart. The proof? The developer's account has grown 519% since late 2023. If we look at the equity curve here, the growth is quite stable and climbing. The maximum drawdown is kept at around 31%, which for a gold pair is considered moderate, not too aggressive, but not slow either. But here is the part that EA salespeople often hide. This EA can and will lose money. Look at this recent history from February 2nd. There is a sell position that hit a massive cut loss of over $400. This proves the stop-loss feature works, but it's also a harsh warning. If you're not mentally prepared to see red, do not use this EA. Statistically, the win rate is only 58% out of 584 trades. This means it's not a magic robot that is always right. Its strength lies in lot management. Back in 2023, it started with a tiny 0.01 lot with $1,000 capital and slowly increased to 0.03. So the key here is patience, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, to be fair, I don't just talk about other people's data. I've started running this EA myself on a real Cent Micro account with $200 to test its durability. This is what it looks like running live, but pay close attention to this part. This is crucial. In the settings, by default, all strategies 1 through 8 are set to true. However, the developer strongly advises that for a small $200 balance, you should turn off the others and only run strategies 2, 4, and 7. Many beginners get wiped out here because they get greedy and activate all features with a small balance. I've connected this account to my FX book, so in the next video, we will track it transparently. Will my $200 survive or will it blow up? Finally, because this is a breakout strategy that requires precision, don't expect maximum profit if your broker and VPS are potato quality. Personally, I use XNES with a raw spread account, so that fees and spreads are thin, ensuring the EA's profit isn't eaten up by wild commissions. And a low latency VPS is mandatory. Here, I use VXVM, so that order execution is lightning fast without home connection interruptions. If you're curious about the exact settings I'm using for this $200 account, check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to see the weekly performance update of this account. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.